Welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Karo JJ. Leo tuko hapa na Minji. Tuko na Irish potatoes, tuko na carrots. Tunataka kutengeneza fry Minji stew, like stew ya kukula na anything that you want. So leo tunatengeneza stew ya Minji. So first inafaa tuchemshe hii Minji. So let me niweke kwa sufuria then tuchemshe tukikata hizi vitu zingine. So guys, hii ni Minji, tumeka boil kama kitu kama 5 minutes. Ndio let's peel the carrots and Irish potato first. So guys, hii ni carrots na peel then na grate. Yeah, I'm going to grate it. Okay, na nikatia carrots. So guys, how do you grate your nini? I'm going to use this one to grate, yeah, because I like that one. I don't like this one. Hii inatoa kidogo, but you can still use it. Yeah, let me show you guys. As you can see here, this is what come out, but ukitumia hii unapata vitu smart. Guys, hebu see. You see this? Hiyo inakaa fiti kuliko ukatekate. So guys, to share grate the carrots, hope venye inakaa, hebu ona venye inakaa fiti. Yeah. So sorry. So guys, hacha to peel the Irish potatoes pia. Yeah, don't want it. But kupeel potatoes napenda kutumia kisu. Yeah. So guys, let's cut our Irish potatoes into pieces. Unakata kwa pieces zenye unapenda mwenyewe. Aha. Nugget. So guys, I'm going to use the half onion. Yeah. There is a video I saw somewhere guys, wakiuliza eti kila kitungi like the sizes like with the design, ukikata kitunguu iko na ladha yake. Alikuwa amekata hii design, amekata into rounds like this. Let me show you guys. Alikuwa amekata hivi. So akauliza kila kitunguu iko na ladha yake, but sasa how? Ni vile tu the appearance is different, but ladha ni same guys. Yeah. So hiyo ni kitunguu yetu. Za sufuria, acha tuweke onions zetu. Like that. Now let's cut our tomato. Yeah. So, tushakata our tomatoes. And remember guys, here I have the garlic. Nimebonda garlic. These are the fresh one. Nimebonda ndatumia zote. And I have here the hoho. I'm going to cut it. Let me wipe here first. Tukate pepper sasa. The hoho ama pepper. Anyway, tukutana comment section. You can correct me, guys. No one is perfect, right? Yeah. Right. I don't have hizo zingine za kala mingi, the yellow one, the red one. So guys, acha tu fry sasa. So guys, tuko na coriander. Acha tukate coriander, then tuende tu fry. Because tukienda huko kwa meko tukwe tumekata everything, ni kuadi tu. Okay guys, I'm done. So guys, minji iko ready, tumechemsha kidogo, so acha tu fry sasa. Now ni kitunguu tunaweka kwa meko. Now we need to start frying. So let me add oil. Yeah, hope that is enough. I don't like much oil. Not only me, but many people, honey. Yeah. So guys, here we have garlic. Acha tuongeze garlic. Minji tumechemsha tukiweka hapa pamoja ndani. Irish potato ndio hizi, acha tu add. So let's give it something like 5 minutes, then tuweke carrots. For the carrots inafaa ikuwe crunchy. For those who like crunchy things, inafaa ikuwe crunchy. So tutaweka mwisho. Acha tupatie hii time kidogo. So then carrots. Acha tuweke carrots. Remember to jeka salt. Salt, Royco spice, tuko na pepper, hoho or pepper, then coriander, chakula yetu iko ready. The stew is ready. Direct zone. Show my people how venye na kayani. It is very yummy, guys. Try this at home and thank me later. Yeah, acha tupakue. Guys, unaona venye kana donjo, so acha tupakue kwa plate, then you see venye inakaa. This is crazy. Even ndio iko. You can serve your stew with chapati, with matoke. I'm gonna cook for you one day matoke. You can serve with it matoke, and you can also serve with rice. And I have rice that I'm going to show you how when I serve. So guys, ebu ona venye kana donjo. Kana slap. Anyways, acha tulete rice. Hi guys, mtashanga mbona huyu anaserve kwa sufuria. So guys, nilicook earlier rice, so I'm going to serve my stew with rice. Yeah. Hebu guys, hebu cheki penye kana slap. Hey. We. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Tell me in the comment section what to cook next. Anyways, I love you. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe before I say goodbye. Remember to subscribe. Leave there your comment, your like, share, so that we hit 1K subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.